Welcome back to Beautyistic, Gorgeous Souls. Today, I'm introducing something that's bold, playful, and absolutely statement-making. The Too Faced Lady Bold Cream Lipstick in the shade 04 Power Move. If you've ever wanted a lipstick that combines intense color with comfort, this might just catch your eye. Lightweight, vegan, and cruelty-free, it promises a satin finish that's meant to stand out. Right off the bat, this lipstick is a true testament to Too Faced's commitment to fun, high-quality cosmetics. The shade Power Move is an electric blue-pink, immediately giving off those daring, fashion-forward vibes. It comes in a convenient stick form, making it easy to apply with precision, and it's designed for all skin types, so no one gets left out of the bold lip club. When I tried this out, the creaminess was instantly noticeable. It glides effortlessly across the lips without tugging, which is a big deal because some bold shades can feel heavy or sticky. The satin finish offers just enough shine to catch the light while still feeling natural and wearable. I loved how the color maintained its vibrancy throughout my morning coffee and meetings. Though, full disclosure, a touch-up after meals keeps it looking flawless. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the pigmentation is rich and even in one swipe. It's lightweight, vegan, and cruelty-free, which makes it a win for ethical beauty enthusiasts. The packaging is sleek and fits perfectly in my makeup bag. On the downside, because of the bold color, precision is key. Any small mistake is noticeable. Also, while it's creamy, it's not the most long-wearing lipstick out there, so reapplication is necessary if you're out all day. In terms of value, this lipstick sits in the mid-range, which feels fair given the quality, ethical formulation, and bold shade payoff. If you're someone who loves experimenting with color or wants a signature statement lip, it's definitely worth considering. Compared to other bold, satin-finish lipsticks, Too Faced nails the combination of comfort and vibrancy without compromising on ethical standards. The build quality is solid, the lipstick feels premium in hand, and the cream formula stays consistent over time. While I haven't needed customer service, Too Faced generally has a solid reputation for responding to inquiries and addressing concerns promptly. For those on a tighter budget, there are other vibrant cream lipsticks out there, but few match the smooth, even pigmentation and satin finish of this Too Faced offering. If you're looking for a mix of playful color and everyday comfort, this one stands out. So here's the verdict. If you're ready to make a bold statement, the Too Faced Lady Bold Cream Lipstick in Power Move delivers on both style and comfort. It's perfect for anyone looking to add a punch of fun to their makeup routine. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab your own Power Move lipstick is in the comments or description box. If you've already tried it, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.